Did you know that just 5 grams of overweight per punnet can cost up to 68,000 euros in a single season? With the right technology, these losses can be avoided. It all starts with a precise sorter that selects berries by size, ripeness, and softness, ensuring consistent quality. Next, a high-speed wagon fill machine, accurate down to a single blueberry, keeps your packing efficient and profitable. Then, a reliable tray sealer locks in natural freshness and extends shelf life, carefully protecting every blueberry. Finally, an integrated labeler completes the package, making your blueberries shelf-ready for the market. An optimized blueberry line can save your time and increase your profits at the same time. Contact us today to discuss blueberry packing solutions tailored to your needs.